Whether you're grilling on a deck, a patio, camping, or even tailgating, grilling on the go has never been more convenient than with Broil King's Porta-Chef 120. Each component of the cooking system is designed and engineered for one purpose: great barbecue flavor. The Porta-Chef 120 comes with a 14,000 BTU stainless steel side-ported 2-burner. This powerful burner has 2 rows of flame for even and efficient heat. The stainless steel Flavor Wave cooking system provides superior heat distribution across the entire surface of the grill and protects the burner. Drippings that fall under the Flavor Wave are instantly vaporized, and the vapor created through this process infuses back into the food for that unmistakable barbecue flavor. The Porta-Chef 120 comes with a durable and solid porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grid. This grid delivers excellent heat retention and exceptional searing power to lock in juices and flavor. Broil King's cast iron cooking grid is pointed for perfect steakhouse sear marks, and the convenient warming rack gives you more grill space and added cooking versatility. Made from high-grade cast aluminum and backed by a 10-year warranty, the cookbox provides excellent heat retention, long-lasting durability, and best of all, cast aluminum won't rust. The lid is complemented with a stainless steel wrap and comes equipped with an AccuTemp thermometer to show precise temperature. The SureLight electronic ignition offers you peace of mind knowing that your barbecue will start quickly and easily. The linear flow valve with 180-degree control gives you excellent heat control, allowing you to set your grill to the perfect temperature. The Porta-Chef has 4 sturdy detachable snap-in legs and 2 resin side shelves that can be conveniently stored under your barbecue, allowing you to carry the grill wherever you want to go. The resin side shelves also provide extra space for convenient food preparation. This grill also has a convenient condiment bin and built-in tool hooks to keep all of your grilling essentials close at hand. Broil King uses high-quality stainless steel for many components. All other steel is zinc-coated and further protected by an epoxy paint that is baked on through a powder coat process. This premium triple coat process provides superior rust protection. The Porta-Chef 120 is backed by a great warranty. This ensures that your grill will perform for many years to come. Proudly built in North America and built to last. The Porta-Chef 120 by Broil King. Great barbecues every time.